Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today I'm going to show my dahlias to you. These are so beautiful big dahlias and these are my favorites. I just wait to see them every year and every year they bloom in my garden. These are 5 years old and I keep the bulbs, and I'm going to tell you how I save the bulbs for next year. Just when the plant is growing and it is giving flowers, I fertilize the plant with good fertilizer, vermicompost, cow dung manure. I give it to it, and I give bone meal, I give seaweed extract, and what else I give? Organic compost and castor cake, and many fertilizers like banana peel fertilizer. I give it to it, and the dahlias come out very well, and the bulbs also grow in volume. And when the next season approaches, I just keep them safe for one season. I take them out, the bulbs, and then just I dry them in shade. And when the extra moisture is evaporates, then when they are almost a little dry, then I just sprinkle fungus powder and keep them in newspaper. And when the next season approaches, winter season, I soak them overnight. I just clean them, soak them overnight, and then just I sow them, and they sprout very quickly. And you can divide them or cut them into 2 parts, 3 parts, as your bulb as the volume is of your bulb, and you can get 2 or 3 plants next year. These are 5-year-old bulbs, and every time I bought one bulb, and I have now 2 plants, and they are giving better flowers every year. Just you have to save the bulbs, and don't make your plant don't keep your plant in rainy season, because the bulbs may rot. So take the bulbs out before rainy season and keep it safe. And next season, when the temperatures are favorable to grow dahlias, then you can sow these bulbs as I have shown you. You can even divide them, multiply them. Your plants will multiply. And now this year I have bought another bulb, and I'll fertilize the plant, and I will make it the bulb healthy, and next time maybe I'll get 2 or 3 plants from it. And so I just improve my dahlias every season, and I get more and more flowers of dahlias every year. And these are very beautiful flowers, and they are bigger than than the previous season. So I have told you the trick. Fertilize your plant very well, and they will give it potassium, give it nitrogen fertilizer. And when the bulb grows bigger, then you can keep it. You can divide it into 2 or 3 parts next year, but don't cut them and then keep them, because then they may not be safe. Just cut them before you sow them, then you can make 2 plants. But don't cut and keep the bulbs for next season. And take out the bulbs from the soil very carefully, so that you are not bruising them or cutting them, so that you